Are you ready to open up your camera today? You should. Everybody has to do that. It's a must, according to DJI being banned in the North America region because they're spying on you. Don't use your camera, your cell phone, throw them all out, and you'll be fine, and you won't be traced. If you're so afraid, get yourself a mobile home and always move around. Put cellophane around everything. That's not going to be the answer because they'll still be spying on you and you're still being traced. We have what is called the Big Brother watching over you. Are you being watched over by a Big Brother? Is it the same thing saying Big Brother and DJI being spying on you? If I walk real slow, I could avoid the spies and they won't get with me. DJI, your phone, your drone. I don't have a drone. And why on earth I show a dead battery when I fully charged my camera? Is DJI spying on me? That took all my power out, trying to fool me? Well, I got something that I put my power to, my made in China USB and AC outlet, and it's supposed to be 5 volts, 1.2 plus amps, and it worked ever since. Now, I guess it failed. You must be spying on me. I got a dead battery. I was able to make that last one. I gotta get going. It's dead. 10% is all that's left. And I don't think I'll be able to get it anymore. So don't be spied on DJI. They make a fake battery that says you're depleted. Oh yeah. I don't know who's spreading these rumors about being spied on, drones, this and that. They collect data and they send it back so they could look for all that. This has been going on for so many years. It's not even funny. You're so worried about it. Don't get into telephones. Don't get into DJI. Don't get to their drones. Don't even do anything that has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You got a TV set in your house that's got a camera somewhere in the set, and people are saying, oh yeah, you got a hidden camera that's watching you. So you got to be careful about saying the 4-letter word and saying certain things. Are you still afraid and paranoid? I'm not. So take all your cameras from DJI, your drones, even take your GoPro, your Insta. Could it be Sony? Could it be everything that has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built in that's going to be transferring to your phone, to the sky, to you? I'm about to crash. Thanks for ruining my vlog. I really appreciate you ruining my vlog. Oh man, I'm putting you away because you're going to be spying on my day. I want you to spy on me. It's great that you spy on me. I know I got a fan. I know good things come and all that good stuff. On that note, I didn't even start my video saying, hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. I'm going to say, hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for spying on my show and having me transport you all the information in the world wherever possible. Gather it all, trace it all, and go have a cookie on me. I just found somebody's camera mount, and they threw their camera out because it was spying on them. Your toll passes that you carry, your car that has a radio, anything that has electronics are spying on you. Look at all the spies getting ready to take the information back And there they go. The spies, they're all out there. I hope you enjoy your spyful camera. I really thank you very much for giving that information to the world about how DJI has been banned. They've been banned from a number of places. You're no longer going to be able to get a camera. Hurry, go get one. It's time to get one. What do you have to say, DJI? Are you spying on us? Are you really? You can't even answer a person's question correctly when they go on to your community forum. Anybody else at the community thinks DJI is spying? Post down below. We all, the world, would love to hear. How do you think DJI has been banned and spying? I'm Fish. The battery's exhausted thanks to the world of technology. And the DJI doesn't have enough power. It sure does to spy. Done with the bullshit that you have to offer. Done!